Hey everybody, welcome to an aside video. This video will contain a few clips from my GoPro as placed on my helmet during some kayaking adventures here this year, spring and summer. And there not a lot to it, nothing too exciting. And right off the bat, before you complain about sound, I have the GoPro in its waterproof case, which really muffles the sound. There's still audio, but it's very hard to hear. You can hear me talking if I say anything, but everything is muted pretty good. You can hear some water. So if you turn it up to hear what's being said, that's one thing, but then I eventually, in a couple of spots, take the camera out of its case, and at that point the audio is much louder and more clear. So if you have the volume turned up during some, as we proceed down our course, when it gets to where I'm taking it out of the case, be prepared to turn your volume back down, or it's going to blare. Okay? So enjoy these. I hope they're mildly entertaining. It may show something we can do besides work on jet engines as a hobby. And we can also have a little fun a little bit. Okay? Alright, enjoy.
Blanche. Kind of flirting with it, wasn't it? It's running pretty good. It's going pretty good little dip there, and I'm right there straight in front of my boat. Yeah. remember this vaguely. Last time we got through it pretty. Sorry about that.
Okay, we're at the XXX Secret Falls here on a secret river, and flood waters have subsided, but they are still running to a degree. We got nice water here today. We're here at XXX Falls. We call it the XXX Falls because it's top secret XXX. And there's 3 drops here. 1, 2, 3, this being the largest and the most potent one, which is, we're really proud of this for being here in flatland country, Indiana. All right, we're gonna take a little more video and get our breath back. That was excitement. It's shaking the camera. I'm very sorry. I just wound up. That was too cool.
move me that way. Yeah. Yeah, it didn't bother you as much. Yeah, what you don't know won't necessarily hurt you, right? Yeah. How deep is it? I don't know. Almost a paddle. Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Now I want to show you a feature or structure that is found many times throughout the world on waterways. They're used for flood control, various, maybe give people jobs during bad times, but they also kill a lot of people because their laws of physics, I guess, and the way fluid dynamics, all those fancy words, or water flowing over these low head dams tends to create keepers or rollers, or keeps you won't let you out till you drown and get tenderized a little bit. We're gonna take a look here at one. This is a local one here, and this is a small one, but you don't pelly around. Here we go. You can see the water pouring over that dam. It looks pretty calming and smooth, but let's say that water is, I don't know, what, 2.5, 3 inches deep. That's a lot of water force. It's moving pretty fast, and at this level it's at the level at which is running today, you may not have too much trouble if you went over that and got in that boil. But as the water level goes up, this gets much more dangerous and formidable. You can see the water boiling up out, 5, 7, 8, 10 feet out from the dam. That's actually this water here. The water going over the dam is showing up out there, and as it boils up, it runs on down, but some of it comes back. And the problem is, if you're trapped in between those, that's a zone of you can't escape. And as you go back to the water falling, that dunks you under, and you go down, you cycle, and you pop up over here. But if you don't pop up on the downriver side, you're going to be, guess what? You're going to get cycled right back in. So you may get a breath or two, but it could go on for a long time. So anybody kayaks, boats, swims, you don't play with these, please. Don't go over them. We've had 3 people, I think, that has died 4th of July weekend kayaking over dams, and they were just too much. You get drowned. They drowned you. These are death machines. Okay, that's enough of that. A safety tip.
Okay, while I'm standing here, I can go ahead and just do a wrap-up for that little kayaking experience. As you can see, there's nothing spectacular, no class 3 whitewater. Couple spots run pretty good when the water's up. You can also see there's some dangerous spots as far as trees that require some negotiation of getting through and around. It's not for a beginning kayaker. And I also reference kind of a tragic side of it, and that's a low head dam, or a low level dam that is used for flood control and so forth. But however, they create a very dangerous, deadly situation, especially if the water is up. But even at low levels, some of those dams are very powerful in the fact that they keep recirculating the water more or less as a law of physics, I guess, fluid dynamics. And if you have to become part of that system, you may stay in that system longer than you care to. So I try to give you a little warning there. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all that, and we'll probably resume back to jet engines here, or at least the J44 soon. Thanks.